Hello, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we have something special to discuss, the Typecase Touch iPad 10th generation case. If you own a 10th gen iPad, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we delve into this innovative keyboard case that's sure to elevate your iPad experience. First things first, let's talk compatibility. The Typecase Touch is tailor-made for the new iPad 10th generation, including models A2696, A2757, and A2777. It's designed to complement your iPad seamlessly. Now, what sets this case apart is the keyboard. It's not just any keyboard, it's a flexible, backlit one. With 78 keys, it offers a laptop-like typing experience, complete with a full row of iPadOS shortcuts for increased productivity. The keys are laser-etched, ensuring durability, and the adjustable 10-color RGB LED backlighting adds a touch of style and functionality. But that's not all. This case also boasts a precision trackpad. It introduces a whole new way to navigate your iPad, with multi-gesture controls that redefine productivity. Whether you're editing documents, browsing the web, or creating presentations, you'll do it with unparalleled speed and precision. One of the standout features of the Typecase Touch is its versatility. Thanks to a patented 360 degrees hinge, stress-tested for 20,000 cycles, you can use your iPad in a variety of modes. From typing notes to watching videos to using your iPad in its native tablet form, this case has you covered. It's the ultimate tool for any task. Now, let's talk about some smart features. The Typecase Touch comes with a premium hard shell design that protects all sides of your iPad. Plus, it supports the auto sleep-wake function, which conserves battery life by activating when you open and close the keyboard case. And here's a handy touch. There's a holder for your Apple Pencil, ensuring it won't get lost or become an inconvenience. To sum it up, the Typecase Touch iPad 10th generation case is a game-changer for iPad users. Its compatibility, flexible keyboard, precision trackpad, and versatile modes make it a top choice for everyday use, education, students, and business professionals. With its smart features and stylish design, it's a must-have accessory for your iPad. If you're interested in taking your iPad experience to the next level with the Typecase Touch, check out the link in the description below for more details and purchasing options. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more tech insights, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay tech savvy.